Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening SketchUp and immediately showing the Ruby console so you can run commands now. Type simple commands like puts, hello to confirm the console responds. Once done, check the API version number with SketchUp. Version to ensure compatibility, and make sure your model is saved before running scripts. This prevents accidental loss. Next, set the console to stay visible while you test snippets, so you can iterate quickly and observe returned values in real time. Now you focus on running real code. Paste a small method and execute it line by line to watch effects. Use SketchUp, active model, entities to create or query geometry. This is how you add faces, edges, or groups. Wrap destructive edits in model. Start operation and model. Commit operation so undo works and SketchUp stays responsive. If you need reusable code, save snippets to a RB file in plugins or use require relative to load them. Make incremental changes. Finish by saving working code into the plugins folder or a development folder and require it from the console to test startup behavior. Once done, validate undo and performance on a copy of your model. If errors occur, use begin/rescue around risky calls and print E backtrace to find the failing line. Make sure you reload files between edits. If SketchUp hangs, force stop long loops, restart SketchUp, and run smaller tests to isolate the problem before reapplying wide changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.